Hello guys, today we are going to learn what is value at risk VAR margin. VAR margin exchange as a margin अपफ्रंट बेसिस पे कलेक्ट करती है। जब भी आप कैश मार्केट में काम करते हैं तो आपने देखा होगा कि आपको एक इनिशियल अमाउंट पे करना पड़ता है, तो उसमें वार और एएलएम इंक्लूडेड होता है। हम आगे डिस्कस करेंगे कि एएलएम क्या होता है। अभी हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि वार मार्जिन क्या होता है और वो कैसे कैलकुलेट किया जाता है। VAR margin is at the heart of margining system for the cash market segment. VAR margin is collected on upfront basis. Value at risk margin is a measure of risk. It is used to estimate the probability of loss of value of a share or a portfolio based on the statistical analysis of historical price trends and volatilities based on VAR margin or margin. Stock exchanges calculate risk of loss in the value of a stock, typically with a one-day time horizon. To arrive at VAR margin, three important parameters are considered: confidence level, time horizon, estimate of loss. 99% confidence, what is the maximum value that an asset or portfolio may lose over the next day? You can see how the VAR question has three elements. First, a relative high level of confidence. Second, a time period. Third, an estimate of loss, either in rupees or percentage terms. Let us see one example. Let us assume that an investor bought a share of company. Its market value today is 10 lakh. Obviously, we do not know what would be the market value of this share next day. An investor holding the share may, based on VAR methodology, say that one day VAR is 80,000 at the 99% confidence level. This implies that under normal trading condition, the investor can, with 99%, say that the value of the share would not go down by more than 80,000 within next one day. VAR is computed using exponentially weighted moving average methodology based on statistical analysis. 94% weight is given to volatility on T one day and 6% is weight given to T day return. T से ये मतलब है कि T यानी ट्रेडिंग डे प्लस वन डे यानी नेक्स्ट डे, टी डे यानी ट्रेडिंग डे जिस दिन हम ट्रेड कर रहे हैं. टू कंप्यूट volatility for January 1st, 2021, first we need to compute days written for January 1st, 2021 by using ln. ln is a Excel formula. Close price on January 1st, 2021 divided close price on December 31st, 2020. Take volatility computed as on December 31st, 2020. Use the following formula to calculate volatility for January 1st, 2021. Square root of bracket close 0.94 multiply bracket December 31st 2020 volatility bracket close multiply December 31st 2020 volatility plus 0.06 multiply bracket close January 1st 2021 ln return multiply January 1st 2021 ln return. Example share of XYZ Limited. Volatility on December 31st 2020 is equal to 0.0314. Closing price on December 31st 2020 is equal to 360 rupees. Closing price on January 1st 2021 is equal to 330 rupees. January 1st 2020 and volatility is equal to square root of first bracket, then use second bracket 0.94 multiply again bracket 0.0314 bracket close, then multiply, then again bracket 0.0314, then bracket plus 0.06 bracket 0.08701 bracket close multiply again bracket 0.08701 bracket close, then close final bracket 0.037 or 3.7% is the January 1st 2021 volatility. Now to arrive at VAR margin rate, companies are divided into three categories based on how regularly their share trades on the basis of liquidity, that is by how much a large buy or sell order changes the price of the scrip, what is technically called impact cost. Please guys, please do like and subscribe my videos if you like my videos.